If you sell print-on-demand products, you already know that making the design is only half the job. The harder part is getting the right people to actually see it. And that is where most print-on-demand sellers lose time, searching manually, checking random profiles, sending cold DMs, and still not knowing who is actually a good fit. So in this video, I want to test something practical. So I'm going to take a merch brand idea and use lessie.ai to see if it can actually help me build a real creator promo list for that niche, not in a generic marketing way, but in a way that could actually fit a real print-on-demand workflow. So if you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or you're building a merch brand, this might be one of the most useful parts of the workflow that people ignore. Now let's do a practical example. So let's assume that I have a niche, a print-on-demand product idea. Maybe it's a t-shirt design aimed at Etsy sellers, side hustlers, or small business owners, or a very specific hobby niche. So instead of just posting it and waiting, I want to answer a better question. Who already has the audience I want to reach? So not just big influencers, but also micro-influencers, niche creators, faceless content pages, and maybe even podcast or business pages. So I'm going to use lessie.ai here to help me test whether it can build that list faster instead of doing it manually. So the first thing to do is to go to the platform, and in a new chat I'm going to write this prompt: find YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram creators in the print-on-demand niche, Etsy, t-shirt design, side hustle, and small business space with engaged audiences who would be a good fit to promote a niche merch brand. Prioritize micro-influencers with strong niche alignment over big follower count. So this is the prompt that I'm going to give to lessie.ai and press on the find button, and the platform now starts to work its magic. But first, it wanted me to confirm a few details. The followers count. What counts do I'm looking for? So I'm going to choose between 10K and 50K. So these are basically the followers of the influencers that I'm looking for. And location preferences for the creators. I'm going to choose any English speaking. And how many creators am I looking for? I'm going to choose 20 people and press on submit. So now the platform has all the information that I want, and it's going to start searching for print-on-demand and side hustle creators on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, micro influencers in the print-on-demand niche. So of course this can be used if I want to build a list to use for sales or for collaboration, or even for testing and design. And here we start to see some results, some names, and which platforms they are linked with. So here I see a list of 13 people that are fully matched. And by the way, the same method you can use if you're trying to allocate some freelance designers, for example, to help you with creating designs. Here I have a list of 14 people, and it's still working on creating the 20 people list that I asked for. And each of these names, you can see the number of followers, the location, the content niche, and the platform they are available on. And finally here I got my 20 creators list, and lessie.ai is informing me that it got 20 creators plus 27 partial matches. These are micro influencers between 10K to 50K followers in the print-on-demand, Etsy, t-shirt design, and side hustle space across Instagram, TikTok, and all speaking English. So we can see that the content niche and the followers are visible. So for example, if we press on any of these icons, this will take us directly to the platform of these influencers, and we can then decide if this is a match or not, if you would like to add this specific influencer to our list or use someone else. Even some of the accounts have the engagement rate. So when I look through a list like this, I'm not just asking who has the biggest followers. I'm also asking, is this creator actually in the right niche? Does their content style fit the brand? So in order to know this, I have to open the profile and see the audience, and this is where a tool like lessie.ai becomes useful. So instead of jumping between YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and random tabs to search and gather for their accounts, they can start with a more structured list like this and identify the profiles that are actually worth checking. So let me open one of these profiles. So let's say I like this profile of Taylor. I'm going to press on the Instagram icon, and this will take me directly to the Instagram account of this specific person. And here we can see that this matches the number of followers generated on the list, and we can see the profile and decide if this is a match, if we would like to ask for collaboration, if we would like to ask for a promo ad on the page. and we can even open their email address to contact them directly by sending emails to them through the platform itself, as we're going to see, or individually. Some of the accounts have their email addresses, and you might see me blurring this part, but the email addresses are there, so you can simply contact these names via email directly from within the platform. So lessie.ai agent is also suggesting if I would like to search for additional YouTube creators or sort these names by engagement. So there are a couple of suggestions here, and of course you can still add more names to this list by simply asking lessie.ai to continue doing the search and increase the names or add more names to this list. So here I ask it to add more names to the list, and my list now is extended from 20 to 35 names. And here it says that it found 35 micro influencers fully matching your niche plus 28 partial matches. So let's press on the YouTube channel of Lauren Heath. So another influencer with 77k followers on the platform that we can follow, that we can approach for collaboration or for testing our design or idea. So let's say we would like to approach a couple of these names directly. We can press on the compose email button and unlock the emails of some of the selected people, and press on the compose email button so that we can directly send an email from inside the platform. So let's, for example, select 2 names here and press on the compose email button, and it's going to take a total credits of 6. So if we press on the compose email, we are able to connect our Google account or our Outlook account, or create an email address that is at business.lessie.top. So I'm going to create an email that is related to the channel, 𝗗𝗟𝗏𝗧, and confirm it. And now we have the 2 selected emails added to the senders list. And now I can simply write my email asking for collaboration or asking for prices to publish a design or an ad on the platform of these influencers. And this is all done throughout lessie.ai platform itself. So this is just a test email. I'm reaching out to ask for collaboration opportunity. I have a new brand in the yoga niche, for example, and I would like to launch it and test it to see how it is going to work in front of your audience. Just a sample email that you can work with it or work around it the way you want. And you can select any number of people to send this email directly, or individual send to each of the names as a personalized email. The second great feature that lessie.ai provides is the ability to export this list of generated influencers. So to do that, let's close this compose email. We can do that by simply pressing on the export button and export all this list as an Excel sheet. So I'm going to select all the lists and press on the export button. And if I press on the download button, the total number of 129 credits will be deducted from my account, and you will have access to all of this list. Now the sheet is being exported, as you can see at the bottom corner of the screen. But I'm not going to show you the exported list. I'm going to export a new list with just 2 names and download it as an Excel sheet. And here, once the sheet is downloaded, we can open it as an Excel sheet. And here we get to see the names of the influencers, their links. So all their platform links are also visible, the email addresses, their countries, engagement rate if available, the content niche, and all their information on an Excel sheet that can be easily used for outreach. So another cool feature that I think is very important on the lessie.ai is, if you know a specific influencer that you would like to reach to get their contact information, you can ask by the name of this specific influencer. So for example, I'm going to test the platform to find my channel. So can you find me 𝗗𝗟𝗏𝗧 on YouTube and add it to the list to test if it would be able to find the specific name that we are looking for. And here the platform is doing its work. And after some time, it was able to find my name here, waelmorgan, and add it to the list of all the details. And here are my social media links, but it was able to generate and allocate my Behance account and my YouTube. So my honest take is this: if you are a print-on-demand seller, Etsy seller, or merch creator who wants to grow beyond just uploading designs and hoping for organic traffic, this platform and this kind of workflow makes sense. And the key element for me here is that the platform lessie.ai makes the most sense when you already know your niche and you want to find the right people around it. So this is really helpful for beginners And if you want to test this workflow yourself, I'll leave a link in the description of this video that will take you directly to Lessie AI. And there's a discount code that you can use for 50% once you use it, and you will get 30 free credits to start testing the workflow for your niche. So that was a quick tutorial about how you can use this AI workflow for marketing and testing your POD niche. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.